My parents bought some dog scissors so they can cut my dog's hair. I don't think they've used these yet, but I'm gonna use them today. Not on my dog, on myself. I don't really know how these work. I know they're like to thin out the hair, so maybe that'll help with this situation going on. Let me see how this even works. Okay, so there's still some long pieces. Is this a good idea? Let's start with my bangs first, since I know how to do that. Yeah, I think these are harder to work with than regular scissors. But I don't know. I don't know what the other part of that sentence was gonna be. My parents are gonna come home. They're either not gonna notice or they're gonna be like, why do you look like that? Oh no, my family's home. Oh shit. That doesn't look good. Why? Why do I do these things? Oh man. This looks even worse. Like, it doesn't look too bad. It's okay. It's fine. It's fine, it's fine, it's fine. It's fine. It's fine, it's fine. This looks like shit. It's kind of therapeutic, just like, you know. Well, it kind of looks like shit. We'll see how it looks curly. Looks like a little guinea pig. Well, I guess a big guinea pig. This is so weird. Yeah, I mean, like, it doesn't look that bad, right? Like, it looks, I kind of like it, I like the shape, but the main problem is that my hair is like, some of it just doesn't curl anymore. Because I bleached it again. So yeah, don't even get me started on the back. Business in the front, hot mess in the back. I slept on it, so maybe that's why. No, that's not why. It's terrible. And then another thing, my hair is like 3 different colors. Like, I tried to like tone it with purple shampoo. Yeah, it looks okay, right? Moral of the story? Maybe don't cut your hair with dog scissors.
Okay, I lied. My hair looks amazing.